Welcome to the Monaco Yacht Show Sapphire Experience. Your visit experience of the Monaco Yacht Show starts off the Monaco Bay. Landing on a luxury shadow boat, the ultimate super yacht support vessel for extending the yachting experience.
That's good.
On board the MYS VIP luxury tender, enter the iconic Port Hercule, where over 120 super yachts and mega yachts are displayed exclusively for the show. On docks, the MYS curates the showcase of a selection of 580 leading companies, from the most reputable super yacht builders and nautical suppliers, top yacht designers, luxury manufacturers, and the best brokerage houses, to the most sought-after tenders and water toys, helicopter and private jet manufacturers, and prestige cars. Away from the docks, the show's upper deck lounge offers a relaxing and catering area in the refined environment of the luxury brand partners. This is Monaco Yacht Show. 4 hectic days and nights inside the super yacht world.